Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. It's been a little bit since I've done some stuff with my 3D printer, but I've been experimenting with different things, and one thing I wanted to do was make a cube stand. Wait, nope. One thing I wanted to do was make a stand for a phone. So if you're recording, you can use it either at tournaments or just recording videos for a cubing channel. And I tried a few different things, and I had some sort of design that looked like this, where you'd rest the phone, but I couldn't get the angles right where the phone sat nicely, and I didn't want to make something with a ton of like moving parts where you could clip it and angle it. I just wanted something where the phone could lean against, and so I came up with this. It does have two parts. I've worked a lot with different pegs to make sure they fit really nicely. So this is a small one which can actually hold my size of phone, and this is I would say the regular size or large size that will definitely fit it. So you can adjust it at different angles, and I'm going to show my hand that has a cut on it, so I apologize for that. That was from putting a stroller into my car after like 3-4 hours of being outside, so my hands were like, pretty soft from being outside in the cold weather for that whole time. Anyways, so they are different sizes. If you put it here for my phone, which is an iPhone 11 with the case, this fits almost perfectly vertical, and as you move out you could actually, these ones are even, so you can put 2 pegs if you want. You can get all the way down to where it's angled quite a lot. This one, when it's so close, it won't even fit my phone, so it's for smaller phones. But it's also small enough to where my phone will sit here nicely, but anything larger would probably tip over. Yeah, so what these would be great for is if you're at a competition, you just set that up, whatever angle you want it to be at. I would almost say for competition, you just set it there, put your phone in straight, and then have it recording that way. You just have to make sure your screen is away, because that would result in possibly a DNF if you have your screen facing you. So, and then also, if you want it to record something like, recording a video, place it on top of a cube for a little extra height, and there you go. I actually originally had, if you look on this one, an indent for a puzzle, but that's because it printed this way, and printing that indent wasn't too big of an issue. With this one, it's best to print it like here, and putting an indent would just be a little awkward of trying to get that to work. So I just took out that indent all together. This will be on my Thingiverse page. Definitely check it out. If you like it, print it. Let me know you printed it. I'm not, 100%. It's not a perfect design. I didn't really want to have multiple parts like this. I wanted it to be one solid structure, but I also didn't want it to be too bulky, and also being able to adjust the angle. So there's a lot of variables in here, and this was kind of the nicest design that also printed nicely. I didn't want something that was very difficult to print. There's no supports or wraps or anything needed for this. So thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And it's always stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.